Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic, man.
Treat.
Me be jamming now, man.
Mainan!
Who be jamming now?
It's down.
Haha, laugh it up. Real fun.
Als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan...
Pull a hose down. Help me wash this off.
Where's he going?
Oh, he's dead. Entire life of my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Man, thanks for being my pit crew today.
Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do.
What do you want? Oh, Lonnie, I'm sorry about earlier. Woohoo!
Hay que ir recto.
¡Ya oí suficiente!
Y fuera.
Oh, yeah! Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection!
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Tex, I made that stolen fella a Texas-size offer.
So,
But that's okay. So what is a world-famous racing superstar doing here?
Well,
Bring it on, old man.
Luigi,
Francis Beltline? The school bus of death is after you.
after his very long racing season, he is taking some time off to rest.
The Lightning McQueen would not have it.
Okay, that's it.
Wait, somebody save me! The lorry's crazy! Keep...
Let's bring on the confetti. Ow! Easy with the confetti. What's going on? Come on, snap some.
20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go.
Man, now I got dirt in my rib.
Run for it?
No. He ran out of asphalt in the middle of the night and asked me if he could come down here.
Program initiated.
Cool. Hey, come here. Make me a German truck.
Request acknowledged.
costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
What is it?
First race. Lightning McQueen must be killed.
No!
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel...
Checkered flag, here I come. Oh no! McQueen is blowing a tire!
And with only one...
Queen and Sally, Park-a-Nate-Cake, K-I-S-S.
Come on! Faster, Guido, come on! You gotta get back out! Guido, hurry up! What the fuck?